And next weather meteorologist Scotty Withers back with us now. We know that heat can be very dangerous, and we're talking close to triple digits right today.
Yeah, you're going to need the air conditioning. I got my electric bill the other day and I was like, is this the price of a ticket to a FIFA game? It was that high. It was crazy, right? Yeah. You're going to need the air conditioning out there because it is going to be a triple-digit feel-like day for a lot of us. Take a look. That is a beautiful shot down there. Don Cogan out there, good friend there, showing us that picture from Coconut Grove Marina there. Love it out there. We do not have any rain on the radar right now, but that is going to change as we move throughout the day, and especially as we get to the evening hours. That's when we're really going to see those storms firing up. The computer, it double checks me. It agrees. 3, 4, 5 o'clock, boom. That's when we're going to see the rain, and it is going to be some pretty hard rain. Watch here as the models work through this. You see it exploding there around 2, 3 o'clock there in South Miami-Dade, rolling up through the Doral area, and then it just keeps pushing north up into Broward County there. It'll be done by 8, 9 o'clock, and then that's pretty much it. Because of that, we are at a level 1 flash flood threat from basically Kendall all the way up to Pompano Beach there. You are going to experience some isolated heavy downpours there, so we could see the flash flooding out there on the road. So be careful. Don't drive through it. Turn around. Go the other way. Temperatures out there right now in the low 80s across the Metroplex. Same thing down in the Keys. We're going to top out today about 92 is our hot spot. That's up there in Miami, but we're all going to be pretty much close to that. The big thing is the humidity. Look at all of this humidity. You walk outside, you're going to feel it instantly. Boom, it's going to hit you in the face. And when we add all of that together, look at these triple-digit feels-like temperatures. Southwest Ranches, 101, 102 in Plantation. The same thing up there in Lauderhill, and then Margate down in Miramar. Getting down to Miami-Dade, it's nicer out on the coast because of the breeze. But look, 101 there in Doral, Hialeah, 100, Miami, 100. It is going to be a triple-digit feels-like day for most of us. The Keys are getting close. They're in the upper 90s. So be careful as you head out there. Get lots of water, get in that air conditioning. Because of all of that, we have our heat-related health risks today. We're in the moderate areas, but there are some pockets there of the major risks, so be careful for that. It's today and tomorrow. Here we go. This is what we're dealing with. We got that sun now. We're going to see the clouds start building in early afternoon. The storms are going to start around 4, going through those early evening hours. Then it'll be done by 9 o'clock. That's why it's a good time to get Bane outside for a walk now. He doesn't want to be stuck in the rain and the heat. Get Bane out there, get him for a nice walk. Make sure you send us a picture of your furry friend as well at pics@cbsmiami.com. Love to show it. Out there, Sunny Isles looks beautiful. 83, 90s the feels like temperature. If you're going to the beach, you can go swimming today. Low rip current risk. Boating around, you're good to go. Have fun out there. That'll help cool you down. Just be careful for those storms. 7-day forecast, today. More rain tomorrow, basically every day this week. Friday looks good. Other than that, you're going to need your umbrella brief for a few days.
You've been warned. Thank you, Scotty.